Hi. Aidan Corkery is certainly beginning to make a name for himself. I personally have known of him, though I've never met the guy, but I've known of him for the past 18 months. And in that time I've never heard anything wrong about him, all complimentary. So I've no reason to think anything other than he's an honest guy. And see, what he's selling here is something that everybody is selling. How to get traffic the easiest way. My way is easier than his way, and his way is not as good as that way. And there's how to get traffic easier and faster than anybody else and better than anybody else. And you've got to look at the man, I think, that's selling the program. In this instance, anyway, and on the basis of it being Aidan Corkery and knowing him to be a decent, upstanding human being, I think I would give this a bash. It says here you get everything you need to get set up and start making money with instant buying traffic today. Step-by-step video training. This is an easy to follow step-by-step video training course that takes you by the hand and shows you exactly how to go from zero to making, you'll like this bit, $208.98 per day. I like it, it's good. Now, particularly 98 cents, that makes all the difference. Because my ultimate goal with this is to solve your traffic problems forever, and make it easier for you to finally make a solid, consistent online income in your spare time. The training is so easy to follow. There's a misprint here. I could do this, literally. I suppose it means anyone could do this, literally. It's just easy. Any newbie could get into it and do it. And then after that, there's all sorts of promises. Inside the video training, you'll discover how to get started and get everything set up today in less than 1 hour, even if you've never made a dime before in your life and you're a complete online newbie. Why this is the most popular method to start making money online as quickly as possible. If you want to make money fast, there's no better way than to get the money flowing. They must sit down and say, what else shall we write now? Well, let's say it's the best quality because it comes from such and such a place, and that is where all the big spenders go to, etc., etc. Anyway, it's not dear, it's inexpensive, it's cheap, and he's a good guy that's put it together. So, on the strength of the reputation of the man who's writing it, I would say give it a bash, because, he doesn't tell any lies, any porcupines. Give it a bash. Anyway, to make things worth your while, I'm going to give you a present. I'll give you a bonus. In fact, I'll give you 5 bonuses. I'll give you 5 free bonuses if you buy this program. And my 5 free bonuses are worth much more than the cost of this program. So, buy it whilst you're here and get my 5 bonuses. And you can't lose your money then, can you? And don't forget, you probably haven't seen it. I've looked for it. There's probably a guaranteed money-back guarantee with this. There always is. Everything they sell on the internet is guaranteed money back. And the reputation is paramount to everybody, in particular to Aidan. So give it a bash, and I'll talk to you again. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.